Welcome to my channel. And before we get started, I want to know which city you're watching from, so drop your city name in the comments below. Stay cash now. Take a deep breath, because this is not just a car. This is a rolling palace on wheels. The all-new 2026 Bentley Continental GTC Mulliner. And trust me, by the end of this walk-around, you'll understand why Bentley plays in a league of its own. The first thing that hits you is the presence. This Bentley doesn't need loud styling to get attention. It stands here quietly, confidently, like it already knows it's superior. The wide stance, the long, elegant proportions, and that unmistakable Mulliner diamond grille finished in chrome instantly tell you this is handcrafted luxury, not mass production. Look closely at the front. The LED matrix headlights look like precision-cut crystals, giving the car a sharp yet classy expression. Every curve on the hood flows perfectly into the body, and the Bentley winged badge sits proudly, reminding you of over a century of luxury heritage. Now let's walk along the side. This is where the GTC truly shines. The body lines are smooth, clean, and timeless. Those massive Mulliner alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, giving the car both elegance and authority. The paint finish is so deep and glossy that the showroom lights reflect like a mirror. This is the kind of quality you don't just see, you feel. And because this is a GTC, the roof opens up. With the top down, this luxury Grand Tour transforms into an open-air masterpiece. Imagine driving through your favorite city, skyline above you, soft leather around you, and absolute silence inside the cabin. This isn't about rushing, this is about enjoying every second. Now, let's move to the rear. The design remains calm, refined, and confident. The oval LED taillights glow beautifully, the chrome exhaust tips add just the right amount of drama, and the Bentley badging is perfectly placed. Even the trunk area feels premium. Bentley doesn't believe in basic, not even for storage. This is where words almost fail. The interior doesn't feel like a car interior. It feels like a luxury lounge. Hand-stitched leather, diamond quilting, wheel metal accents, and flawless craftsmanship everywhere you look. The seats are incredibly plush, designed for long journeys in total comfort, not just short drives. The dashboard is a perfect balance between modern technology and classic Bentley elegance. Digital displays blend seamlessly into the design, while traditional materials remind you that this car was built by skilled hands, not robots. The steering wheel feels heavy, solid, and premium, exactly how a Bentley should feel. And when the ambient lighting comes on, the cabin transforms. Soft light flows across the interior, creating a warm, relaxing atmosphere that feels more like a private jet than a convertible. This is luxury that doesn't try too hard. It simply exists. The 2026 Bentley Continental GTC Mulliner is not chasing trends. It's not trying to impress everyone. It's built for those who understand true luxury, comfort, and craftsmanship. This isn't just about owning a car. It's about owning an experience. So now I want to ask you, would you choose this Bentley over a Rolls-Royce? And which city would you love to drive this beauty through first? Comment your city below. Share your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more luxury walkarounds, and I'll see you in the next one.